At this point in time, in the management and maintenance section of this video presentation, we're going to show you the user interface that a staff member would expect to see and log into to see and utilize any of the features in the upcoming questions. To access the sorter, you'd put the IP address in. If you don't have it memorized, you can bookmark it, hotlink it, put it as an item on your desktop. Either way, once you log in, you'll have 5 buttons. The configuration tool, events, event history, statistics, and log. The configuration tool is what we're going to use for number 10, the staff person changing from one sort plan to another. This is where you would go and make modifications to the sort plan, change the sort plan, design it, create multiple sort plans. In that configuration tool, you can also alter text on printouts for hold slips, patron slips, and other items. The events would be the current events on the sorter. Let's go ahead and take a look right now on the current events, and there should be nothing at the Salt Lake, Maine staff. If there was an e-stop problem, if there was a chute blocked, if someone was changing a tote, if there was a PEC error, this would be something would be shown, and we'll show you in a future video of some errors popping up. But this is great news. Nothing's happened. We just saw it quickly refresh. That's planned, and that's normal, and that's expected. The system refreshes every couple seconds, so you'd be able to see what's happening. Event history is where you would go to see basically the history of the events. If you wanted to see what happened on Saturday, if you wanted to see something that happened for an entire week of September, you would be able to go back and look into the event history, and it would show all of the errors that had popped up, every e-stop that was pressed, every tote that was full, every PEC error that happened. You would be able to see through the event history. Under the statistics and log section, this is where we're going to process and keep and store data, data such as actual SIP messages from a specific item, reasons why specific items were sorted to chute 14 and what decision rule was made. It also would give volume to a certain chute, volume to a chute from a specific staff induction, multiple permutations of different reports that would be able to be seen through the statistics and log. This is the user interface that you would be expected to see at any point in time when trying to access the machine and take a look around. And with that, we're going to head on to the next question. To switch to a sort plan on the fly, it's quite easy. Once in the configuration tool, you just click on Code Convert, and it'll show you all of your sort plans that you have. Here, 2 is active, and if we want to make 3 active, we just click on number 3, set the current table to active, and then import all the rules to all of the inductions.